So what we did was to define and understand the problem through data questions. For example, who is involved and how, who's the decision maker, and so on and so forth. So the problem is that we have an unusually small but tall place. We have some minimum requirements to make it comfortable, for example, a room, a kitchen, and a bathroom. And we need to find the right distribution of the elements to the ground and the elevated area. So the main problem is basically the space provided. We will have to come up with an apartment idea that optimizes space usage in order to harbor students in a practical but comfortable way. And also for the vision, we use the illusions tool, which is wishful thinking with positive outcomes and negative futures also. So the final vision is to create an aesthetic, functional, and comfortable space for the student to live in, with simple space-saving multifunctional furniture which allows to easily accommodate the space to the desired function to either receive visitors, cook, or study.
Okay, in the first box, we can see the problem, which is a little space for a small student apartment. And in the following boxes, we can see how to develop the idea of a small apartment, but using the spaces correctly. Also, in our last painting, we already have the idea developed in which we optimize the space, having separate areas: kitchen, living room, bathroom, and bedroom. Also, we ask ourselves the following question. It is how can optimize the space? How can provide by generating in the apartment areas? How can be more creative to distribute each area of the apartment? Who could help us design a suitable space for the client? And how can be the contribution of design to those already in the market that where we were able to show that we can optimize the areas of the apartment using the height of the apartment and using a multi-purpose for tuning to better organize the apartment. On the other hand, with the help of designer, we take advantage of the space to satisfy the young university student who will use in this apartment.
For the brainstorming part, we decided to figure how to optimize our small place by dealing with different ideas that were coming to our mind. In this case, we used the website Padlet in order to proceed with this instruction. As you can see, some ideas help us reach the optimal option for a small place, like the bed with a desk, a sofa bed for guests, compact multifunctional bathroom, etc.
This is an apartment specially designed for students. It had dimensions of 4 by 5 and an area of 20 square meters. It consists of a living room, a bathroom with an electric shower, and a room with a small closet. It comes furnished with a 40-inch flat screen TV, a sofa bed for guests, a drive-in washing machine, a refrigerator, a gas stove, and 2 folding table desks. It has good lighting, 4 windows to the outside, Wi-Fi connection, and electric light. It is located in front of the McDonald's of Chia and is about 15 minutes walking from the University of La Sabana. It can be sold or leased, with all services included.
Okay, in this fourth step, we present the implementation of the space apartment solution in a chronology. For this, we create a chart in which we show the action to take, who is going to do it, when, and who is going to report it to. So, we divide the chart in the short, mid, and long term for the duration of the activity. So, first of all, we have the short term and we have show the model and sell the idea, benefit, features, and design by Jorge Otalora, and have 5 days to present to the owner or manager of the construction company. Second, of short term, table of materials, cost, and estimated manufacturing times by Lina Jaramillo, and have 1 month. The midterm, we have advice and support in the construction and decoration of the model apartment by Joan Sebastian Roa, and have 3 months to present to the project manager construction company. And long-term, support and monitoring in compliance with the design in the manufacturing process of the apartments by Jose David Rosso, and have 8 months. And finally, by me, advice, help, and support in the sales argument and strategy, and have 8 months. For Sebastian Rodriguez, marketing and sales manager, construction company. Thank you.